worked on the roof. We smoothed it all out by sanding. The previous owner, when they had worked on it, kind of butchered it. Not sure what they were doing, but had a lot of dents in it from their grinder. So we smoothed that out. We have it primed so that it doesn't rust again for right now. And then this bottom ledge we're treating with some rust inhibitor, and we're going to Bondo to make it smooth tomorrow, and then put a nice silicone finish along this ledge so that it'll be nice and waterproofed and ready for a beautiful top coat. Today we bondoed the holes, sanded them down, and then primed them. I'll make sure I include a before and after shot of this front. It was truly disgusting and now looks wonderful. Sides looking good too, all smoothed out. I'm ready to go on this side. Today I also marked the floor plan to get a feeling of dimensions in here. So we have the service counter, soon to be cut out. A little L-shaped working counter where the coffee maker will be. And then at the front we will have the kitchen sink setup. And this will have a nice backsplash and shelves on each side of the window and a hanging plant.